When installing applications on your Windows 11 computer, it is important to be aware of the permissions granted to them. Although some users may not mind covering the camera, it is crucial to know which applications have camera permissions for your safety. So you have to watch this video to learn how to identify and adjust these permissions effectively. To begin, access your computer settings, click on Privacy and Security option, and then scroll to Application Permissions. Next is you have to click on the camera option to view the application with camera access, toggle off the camera access for specific apps to revoke their permissions, which can be turned back on whenever needed. But in order for you to block all applications from using your camera, you can toggle off the camera access button at the top. And that's how you can see what applications have access to your camera and microphone in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.